We have arrived to Paradisus in Cancun. A little bit of seaweed, but not too bad. Beautiful white sand, turquoise water, and there's a band playing down there. We've just checked into our room, and it's a lovely day. Our room has 2 double beds. It's a junior suite ocean front. These beds are clearly a double bed. It would be a challenge for 2 people to sleep, so bear that in mind when you're booking this resort. A phone and a clock and USB port for your devices. A safe which would accommodate a 15-inch laptop, and a dresser, an umbrella, an iron, and an ironing board, and a bathroom with a makeup mirror that's lit, which most women appreciate. Toilet, hair dryer, extra towels, amenities, and your shower with 2 shower heads, one that's handheld and rainfall shower head. Very nice.